Hey guys, so I wanted to show you on the Dyson uprights why it's important to service the cleaner head on a routine basis if you have longer hair, pets, whatever. If you're vacuuming up hair, you really want to service your cleaner head on a regular basis because you will have something like this happen. I've got the base plate off, but I want to show you what is happening if you don't get the hair cleaned out of these drive assemblies. Okay, so here's what happened. If you can see here, there was so much hair that got into this drive assembly. It got into the bearing and it caused the bearing to seize up, and it got so hot that it completely broke all this whole plastic housing that holds the bearing in is completely gone, like it's completely shot. So this cleaner head needs to be replaced because there was no like routine maintenance done to this machine. And you can see how much hair is even still in there. This is the first time I've taken this area apart, but you can see it doesn't take necessarily a ton of hair, but if you're vacuuming routinely and you have longer hair and pet hair and stuff, it's really important to take these off. And my recommendation is really based off of the individual. So for instance, if you don't have a lot of hair in your house, then maybe take these off like once a year and check them and clean them out. If you have pets and long hair in the house, I would say check it every like 6 months. And that's going to give you an idea of how often you should do it. So once you've taken it apart after 6 months, then the next time you take it apart in another 6 months, if it's pretty much free and clear, then you know the next time you don't need to take it apart until maybe a year or so. So that's just some advice on how frequently. And I just explained to my customers, it really just depends on, how much you vacuum. It depends on how much hair is in your house, so there's not like one recommendation for everyone, if that makes sense. I have a video on how to do that, and I'm going to link it in the description so you can follow along. But I just wanted to show this video as a really extreme example of what will happen if you never clean out your drive assembly on your Dyson cleaner head. So I hope this is helpful, and let me know in the comments what you think. Have a great day.